so this is Writer's Workshop, right? And we start Writer's Workshop with what?
Ideas.
No? Go ahead.
Mini lesson.
A mini lesson. A mini lesson means that I do what? And what do you guys do? Listen. Yeah, don't worry about it right now, okay? We'll fix it later, okay? So, eyes and ears, that's right. So, I'm going to give you a real quick lesson on setting. Setting. Can everybody say setting?
Setting.
First of all, I'm going to start by making my page a whole lot smaller. Because when I use a full page, it's just ridiculously big and I don't want so much big. All right. So let's say I'm going to write a story about somebody. I'm going to write a story about a girl named Francie. Yep. And so I'm going to just start by drawing this picture of Francie. This is my idea. I have a girl named Francie, and she is fanciful. Okay? Do you guys know what fanciful means?
No.
It doesn't matter, because we're going to talk about setting. Okay? So setting is where the story takes place. Okay? Oh, you're gonna survive just fine, but you got to put it back on your wrist where it belongs. Okay? And then leave it there. Sometimes kindergarten gets a little crazy, huh? There we go. Keep it there. Keep it there. Don't try and pull it off again, because it will hurt. Okay, so setting is the place where a story takes place. It's where we are in our story, okay? So my little friend Francie, right now is nowhere, is she? She's floating in space, right, Hudson?
With no eyes and no mouth.
With no eyes, no mouth. There's nothing to her. Would this be a good story? No. You'd be like, whoa. I need her to be somewhere. So I'm going to make this way more interesting by giving it a setting. And a setting is just a place, okay? So, where could it be? Give me some ideas where I could have my friend. Emmy.
At Paris.
In Paris? Holy smokes. Francie could be in Paris. That'd be fancy, wouldn't it?
Mommy.
Where would you stay, Rowan?
Chuck E. Cheese.
At Chuck E. Cheese, of course. Chuck E. Cheese. Where would you think, Jackson?
Florida.
In Florida. Those are all good settings. Those are all good places. What do you think, Branson?
And at Starbucks.
At Starbucks. Oh, now you're speaking my language. All right, Jocelyn, where would your setting be?
Park.
At a park. Kinley?
Beach.
A beach. Derek?
Indianapolis.
In Indianapolis. Parker?
At home.
At home. Callie?
At Holiday World.
At Holiday World. Josie?
A castle.
A castle. Well, guess what I was thinking? My friend is going to be. Honestly, I loved Emmy's idea of Paris. That was a way better than idea than me. But I was just thinking of this crazy place. I was thinking of a hot, bubbling lava field. So now I've got my friend in the story, and she's in a lava field. Okay.
But she doesn't have any hair.
So I'm going to have to give it more, right? But a setting gives my story some interest. It tells me where things are happening. You have to have a setting. Anytime you write a story, you have to have a setting. Your characters have to be somewhere, just like we're somewhere right now. Where are we?
School.
We're always somewhere. That's just the nature of it. So in a book, when you write a story, your characters are always somewhere.
You could be in a book.
And Derek, the more details you give to your characters, the better your story will be. Okay, so let's say this word again. Setting.
Setting.
It's the place
It's the place